Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the third tutorial of a series Introduction to Aspen HYSYS. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make flash calculation in HYSYS. First, let's discuss some background. Flash evaporation is one of the simplest unit operations that separates components into liquid and vapor phases based on relative volatility. Flash distillation is extensively used in oil and gas sector, particularly oil refineries, where pre-flash towers are installed to lower the load on main distillation towers. Flash distillation act like a single stage of a distillation column where liquid and vapor are in equilibrium and they are separated on the difference in relative volatility of different components. Let's get familiarize ourselves with this important concept by solving this problem in HYSYS. The problem statement is a feed F is split into a vapor product V and a liquid product L in a flash tank. The feed is 50% pentane, 30% hexane, 20% cyclohexane. All of them are in mole percent. In the tank, the temperature is 390 Kelvin and pressure is 5 bar. So, for example, we may have a heat exchanger that keeps the constant temperature and a wall on the vapor product stream that keeps the constant pressure. We want to find the product split and product composition. So let's move to the HYSYS to solve this problem. Well, now we are in HYSYS environment. First, we will define the components which are involved in our problem. Just press this add button and then write the component name. In our case, there are three components. One is pentane. Write pentane and enter. And the second one is hexane and cyclohexane. So the components being selected. Now move to the fluid package. Again, all the components are hydrocarbon. So Ping Robinson would be the nice option for this problem. So next, move to the simulation environment. Choose the material stream and then choose a heater in order to maintain the constant temperature. Then double click on stream 1 and we say the name is F stream, that is the inlet stream, and we know the temperature. Say the temperature is the room temperature, that is 25 degrees C, and pressure is 5 bar, and we take basis like 100 or 100 kilomole per hour. Now it says the composition is unknown. Go to the left side on composition tab, click on it, click this edit button and then specify the mole fraction of each component. So in our problem, pentane has 0.5, 50%, then and hexane has 30%, so 0.3, and cyclohexane has 20%, so 0.2. Now the composition is defined. Go back to the flow sheet, double click on this heater and select the inlet stream, that is our F stream, the inlet. Define the energy stream, just write the name whatever you want, say energy, and outlet stream we say product. Okay, so now it says unknown delta P. And for that, just go to the parameters, and delta p, we are taking 0 because we do not want uh, uh, because we are interested to find the flash calculation at a constant temperature, that is 5 bar. So that's why we take 0 as a difference in pressure through the heat exchanger. So we do not have to define duty here. Why? You will see in next step. Now just click on this product tab, and the product, we have to specify the temperature here. So the temperature on which we want to find the flash is 390 Kelvin. Okay, now the system is solved. So you can see here, this is these are the results. Vapor phase has, we have to find two things. One is the product split, and second one is the product composition. So the product has 0.78% in vapor phase and 0.21% in liquid phase. And to know the composition of each phase, just go to the composition tab, and here you will have the inlet feed composition, and the product vapor phase composition, and the product liquid phase composition. So you can have you can clearly see the vapor phase and the liquid phase composition is quite different, that is expected. So that's all for the flash calculation. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you think this video make any difference in your understanding regarding HYSYS, please like and share my channel, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.